South Korea restricts firms from including Coinbase strategy in ETF portfolios. ETF. South Korea. The directive indicates that the 2017 administrative guidance related to virtual currencies is still valid and must be followed. Author. Sujha Sundararajan. Author. Sujha Sundararajan. About author. Sujha has been recognized as Purple Circle Women in Crypto 2024 Purple Circle by BeInCrypto for her leadership in crypto journalism. Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated. July 23, 2025. Why Trust Cryptonews? Cryptonews has covered the cryptocurrency industry topics since 2017, aiming to provide informative insights to our readers. Our journalists and analysts have extensive experience in market analysis and blockchain technologies. We strive to maintain high editorial standards, focusing on factual accuracy and balanced reporting across all areas, from cryptocurrencies and blockchain projects to industry events, products, and technological developments. Our ongoing presence in the industry reflects our commitment to delivering relevant information in the evolving world of digital assets. Read more about Cryptonews. The Financial Supervisory Service, FSS, South Korea's integrated financial regulator, has recommended asset management firms not to excessively include crypto stocks like Coinbase and Strategy in their ETFs portfolios. The regulator has issued verbal guidance to domestic firms, restricting the proportion of crypto companies in ETFs, Herald reported. The directive indicates that the 2017 administrative guidance related to virtual currencies is still valid and must be followed. Additionally, the FSS administrative guidance comprises provisions restricting financial institutions from holding, purchasing, acquiring collateral, and investing in virtual assets. Recently, there has been a trend of deregulation related to virtual assets in the US and Korea, but there have been no specific laws or guidelines established yet, an FSS official noted. This means that existing guidelines should be followed until the new system is complete. South Korea's existing digital asset guidelines. Since 2017, Korean regulators have prohibited corporate transactions in virtual assets. The government's decision at that time was driven by concerns over money laundering, given that corporate trading was seen as posing higher risks compared to individual trading. On December 13, 2017, the Korean government announced emergency measures in response to the increasingly speculative domestic cryptocurrency market. Domestic listed ETFs hold over 10% of coin-themed stock FSS. The FSS guidance is interpreted as considering the recent rapid increase in coin-themed stocks, including coin exchanges and mining companies, being included in ETF markets. Among domestic listed ETFs, there are many products with a virtual asset-related stock proportion exceeding 10%, the report noted. For instance, the Korea Investment Trust Management's ACE US Stock Bestseller ETF holds Coinbase with a proportion of 14.59%. Similarly, CoACT US Nasdaq Growth Company Active ETF also holds 7.44% of Coinbase, 6.04% of MicroStrategy, adding a total of 13.48% with the relevant stocks. According to industry insiders, these are passive ETFs that are structured to directly track an index. Besides, it is difficult to exclude passive ETFs. If stocks are arbitrarily excluded without changing the index, the gap rate could skyrocket, one industry insider noted. I understand the regulatory tone, but it is not easy to respond immediately. The local market has also argued that it isn't fair to apply regulatory standards only to domestic ETFs, as they are already making indirect investments through ETFs of US-listed crypto investment companies. Restricting only domestic ETFs will not stop the flow of funds, and in reality, many investors are already bypassing the market with US ETFs, another source noted. It is questionable whether the regulations will be effective in reality. Follow us on Google News, Trending News, Recommended Popular Crypto Topics Price Predictions. How Tether co-founder William Quigley views crypto regulations in Trump's second term. Trump appoints PayPal veteran David Sachs as White House AI and crypto czar. XRP price prediction. XRP sets new ADH, but fans are still furious. How quickly could XRP hit $20 from here? Say goodbye to hoarding XRP. Under the Genius Act, top-notch crypto boosts XRP cloud mining. XRP 2025. Will Ripple reach $6 with ETFs and whale activity rising? Press releases. XRP news prediction. XRP breaks through the historical high of $3.60, with a short-term target of $4. Price analysis. XRP price prediction. XRP flips McDonald's in market cap. Could XRP reach $100,000? 2 days ago, by Alejandro Arich. Price analysis. Google's Gemini AI predicts the price of XRP, Shiba Inu and Solana by the end of 2025. 2 days ago, by Tim Hackey. Best crypto to buy now in July 2025. Top crypto to invest in. 2 days ago, by Alan Draper. Best new cryptocurrencies to invest in on July 22, 2025. 3 days ago, by Inesis Tavares. 12 best crypto presales to invest in 2025. Presale crypto list. 3 days ago, by Alan Draper. 16 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in July 2025. 2 days ago, by Elijah Rankovich. 15 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 2 days ago, by Elijah Rankovich. What is the next crypto to explode in 2025? 14 hours ago, by Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. 10 hours ago, by Leon Waters. Ripple, XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. July 5, 2025, by Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. Will ETH bounce back? April 2, 2025, by Ben Beto.